So today we're gonna clean the stern with the power washer, the outdrives and everything. You can see all the crud on our planing fins there. Power drive 2 is getting weeded up. It happens really fast here in the Burrard Inlet, Pacific Ocean in North Vancouver. So $400, haul your boat out, clean them off, put it back in. If the hull's reasonably good and you just want to power wash the outdrives, power washer will work underwater. Well, I can show you a bit on the sides here, and then you do the outdrives up and down. If you got a boat in salt water, it's a great idea to power wash it everywhere. Anyways, fairly frequently. Just taking all that crud off. There's a little discoloration left, but all the weeds are gone. Now we'll do the one planing fin that's visible here. Just carry on like that, and in no time you'll have the boat ready to roll and save yourself several $100s from haul out.